Hey, what's up, everybody? How you all doing? You don't know. Welcome to Big Style TV. This is a boy King Spikes. You know, right now, I'm really sad. Trust me. Me see a lot of bloggers come on the net and they're doing all of these videos telling people to, stay away from Jamaica. Stay which part you are. You have to remember, say we are Jamaican, and wherever we're there in the world, we go foreign for one reason. Is to work as hard as possible and for come back home, come build up somewhere, build up a country. And me tell you the truth, no boy not gonna stop me from fulfilling my dream. You see me? The next thing again, when you don't have a plan and returning resident a plan for go Jamaica, be careful of who you not trust with no business. Be careful of how much you not talk on a business. Don't talk on a business. Try get into a firm or, where do less talking. Start link up with a company, a contractor for build your house. Who have them license and everything. Not talk too much. Not tell family and friends so much where you do. Just buy a ticket and you go Jamaica. Nobody not know say you did it. Sometimes people talk too much. But, for out of the thousands of people who go back to Jamaica, go build them place and live comfortable. Yeah, there's a few killing go on where you're not supposed to go on because from one dead, two dead, that's too many because there's a life. You see me? You have to try cut out this bad mind.